Your Fire TV looks amazing on screen, but what about the sound? Maybe your soundbar isn't connecting, or you're not sure which cable to use. Don't worry. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to connect your soundbar, home theater, or TV speakers to your Amazon Fire TV, step by step, using either HDMI or an optical cable. No confusion, no guesswork, just clear instructions that work every time. First, make sure your soundbar or speaker system is properly connected to power. Once that's done, choose your preferred connection type, either HDMI ARC or optical. But don't use both at the same time, as that can cause interference and result in no sound. If you're using HDMI, plug the cable into the port on your soundbar labeled HDMI out or HDMI ARC, then connect the other end to your TV's HDMI port that's marked as ARC or HDMI out. ARC stands for Audio Return Channel. It's the special port that lets your TV send sound back to your soundbar without any extra cables. If you're using an optical or Toslink cable, plug it into the corresponding port on both your TV and soundbar. Just remember, with optical connections, you'll need to use your soundbar's remote to control the volume, since your TV remote won't work in this mode. Now, turn on your Fire TV and go to the home screen. Navigate to Inputs and look for the HDMI port that's connected to your soundbar. It should light up automatically. If you're not sure whether your connection is active, press the settings button on your remote and open the sound menu. If all the internal speaker options are grayed out, that means your TV has successfully switched to your soundbar or external audio system. This step is important because sometimes your TV connects, but still defaults to internal speakers. Double checking here ensures your audio output is correct. If you don't hear sound right away, don't panic. Simply power off both your TV and soundbar, then turn them back on. This helps re-establish the connection and allows your Fire TV to recognize the soundbar again. If everything's working smoothly so far, tap the like button. It helps others find this tutorial and lets me know to make more guides like this. For the final step, go back to the settings panel, then open Display and Sounds and scroll down to Audio Output. Here, you can fine-tune your setup. If you're using a 7.1 home theater, switch the digital audio format to pass through for cleaner, uncompressed sound. You can also choose Dolby Audio if your TV and content support it, or PCM for lossless audio. For most setups, Dolby Audio provides the best overall experience. You'll also see an ARC mode option. Leave it set to auto so your TV can handle the connection automatically. And that's it. Your soundbar is now successfully connected to your Fire TV. Simple, clean, and reliable. If this video helped you get your sound working, give it a thumbs up. And if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe for more easy tech tutorials. Thanks for watching and enjoy your upgraded sound experience.